Another bad point on this car is there's a lack of mechanics that know how to actually work on these cars, or willing to work on these cars as well. That's another issue as well. There's a lot of people that won't even work on these cars. They'll hear the brand, they'll hear BMW 3 Series F30, they won't touch it. Especially if it's a petrol model, they won't touch it at all. So yeah, it's not good. And yeah, you'll have to take it to most times BMW main dealership. There's in the north, there's not much BMW, what do you call them? Like specialists. That's what you call them. There isn't many specialists, and the ones that are around are very, very busy, like insanely busy. Like I was getting quoted for a job. It's gonna be a 3 months wait. That's how busy they are. So yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? And if you do take it to BMW, you're gonna pay a hefty price. You have to pay that £90 to £110 diagnostic fee, regardless if you know the problem is or not. You're paying it anyway. They're gonna have to check it. And then the next thing is then you pay the overprice on the parts and the labor, and yeah, you might as well just buy a new car, depending on what you're getting done. So yeah.